Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate PayPal into a React application. And well, I'm going to explain to you how to add or how to integrate PayPal into a React application. And well, as you can see on the screen, I have already configured a very simple React application. And if I head over to the browser, you can see that my React application is very simple, and my React application only displays the header "Hello from React," which means that the React application is working. But as you can see, this React application is very simple and only displays a header to the web browser. But what I want to do now is adding PayPal functionality to my web application. And well, in order to add PayPal functionality to my React application, the first step that I'm going to take is heading over to the PayPal developer dashboard. And in the PayPal developer dashboard, I created a PayPal app. And once you create a PayPal app, then you are given two pieces of information. The first piece of information is the client ID, and the second piece of information is the secret. In my case, the name of my PayPal app is my custom app. As you can see on the screen, the name for my PayPal app is my custom app. But you can create a PayPal app with a different name. Okay, in my case, the name of my application is my custom app, but you can create a new PayPal app and give that, and you can give that app any name you like. Okay, so you have to head over to this website, the website for PayPal developers, and then you have to create a PayPal app. Once you create the PayPal app, then you are given the client ID and the secret. Okay, so in my case, this is my client ID. So I'm going to copy the client ID to the clipboard, and once I've copied the client ID to the clipboard, I have to sorry, there is one more step. Sorry. If I head over to the PayPal documentation, you can see that there is a section that says integrate, and okay, in this section we have a sample code, and this code contains an script tag. So I'm going to copy this script tag, and then I have to, okay, as you can see here, I have an script tag. Okay, so I'm going to copy this script tag, and then I have to head over to my application, and this is the HTML file where my React application will be created. So now I have to head over to the head section, and inside this head section I'm going to paste the script tag from the PayPal documentation. As you can see, this is the script tag that was taken from the PayPal documentation, and this code, this script tag, requires the parameter client ID. And as you can see, this script tag requires the parameter client ID. So I have to head over to the PayPal developer website, and in this section, as you can see here, I have the name of my application and also the client ID and the secret. So I'm going to copy the client ID to the clipboard, and okay, I copy the client ID to the clipboard, and then I have to go back to my code, and I'm going to paste the client ID. Okay, as you can see, I am pasting the client ID as the value for the client ID parameter. Okay, and now the next step that I have to take is I have to create a new React component. So I'm going to create a new folder, and the name of the folder is checkout. And then, as you can see, now I have a new folder. The name of the folder is checkout, and inside this folder I'm going to create a new file. The name of the file, it will be index.js. So as you can see, the folder checkout contains the file index.js, and the file index.js is the place where I'm going to create my React application. Okay, so I'm going to type in import React. Remember that the first step in order to create a React application is importing React. So I have to type in import React from React, and then I'm going to import React DOM from React DOM as well. So I type in React DOM, and then I'm going to declare the constant PayPal button, and the constant PayPal button will be set to PayPal.buttons.driver. Okay, and then as you can see here, I have the method driver, and the method driver requires two parameters. The first parameter is React, and the second parameter is an object. The object requires two elements. The first element is React, and the second element is React DOM. And now, as you can see, I've declared the constant PayPal button contains the code necessary to create a React component. Okay, probably this makes no sense for you right now, but don't worry, later on you will understand all of this. Okay, probably all of this makes no sense, but don't worry, later on you will understand all of this. Okay, so now I have to type in export default and then function, and then I have to specify the name of the component. In this case, the name of the component will be checkout, and then I have to specify a return statement, and within this return statement I have to place the code necessary to display the button. So in this case, the code necessary to display the button is a React component, and the name of the React component is PayPal button. So as you can see, the React component PayPal button is used to display the buttons to the web browser. Okay, and this component requires two parameters. Okay, the first parameter is create order, and the second parameter is on approve. Okay, and then I have to declare two functions. The first function is create order, and the second function will be on approve. Okay, so now as you can see, I've declared two functions. One is create order and the other one is on approve. And the first function requires the data parameter, and the second function requires the data parameter as well. Okay, and now I have to configure the parameters for the PayPal button component. Okay, the parameter create order equals a function, and this function receives the data parameter, and then this function returns a call to the function create order. Okay, And then I have the unapproved parameter. The unapproved parameter is set. Well, the unapproved parameter contains a call to a function, and this function receives the data parameter. Again, this function returns a call to the function unapproved. Okay, and then this is the basic code to display the PayPal buttons to the web browser. Okay, so now if I head over to the React application, to the web browser, and then I refresh the application, and let's see what happens. I am refreshing. I have to refresh. Sorry. I was missing one step. Sorry. I was missing one very important step. I'm going to open the file main.js, and I'm going to import the component checkout. Okay, I have to import the component checkout like this. Okay, and remember that I have to specify the path to the folder checkout. So as you can see at the top of the file, I am importing the checkout component, and then I have to create one instance of the checkout component. Okay, as you can see, I am creating one instance of the checkout component, and this instance of the checkout component is going to display the PayPal buttons to the web browser. Okay, now I have to go back to the web browser, and I'm going to refresh the web page, and let's see what happens. This process takes a few seconds, but we should see the PayPal buttons displayed on the web browser. Let's see what happens. Okay, now as you can see, the PayPal buttons are displayed to the web browser, which means the code is working.